Hey there, lovely people! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create those eye-catching Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts using Canva's awesome video editor. Seriously, it's gonna be so much fun. First off, click on Create a Design and check out all the cool options for making videos. There's a ton of stuff you can do here. Next, choose the Instagram Reel option to get started. Canva's got a bunch of templates that make creating Reels a breeze. Go ahead and pick a free template that suits your style. Now, it's time to add your own flair. You can upload your own videos. I've already uploaded one here, and it just takes a sec for them to load onto the timeline. Oh, and don't forget the audio. I've also uploaded a track to add some vibes to our reel. Just drag it onto the timeline and we're good to go. Once your videos and audio are in place, it's time to get creative. Add in some cool elements like stickers, graphics, and effects to make your reel pop. Canva's got tons of options to choose from, just drag and drop. I'm going to jazz up this reel with some effects and graphics to show you what's possible. You can adjust the size, position, and timing of stickers to fit your vibe. And don't forget, you can add text and even animate it for extra pizzazz. Alright, let's take a quick peek at our reel to make sure everything's looking fly. You can even watch it in full screen to get the full effect. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit the share button to download your reel. You can choose from different formats, but I'd recommend MP4 for the best quality on Instagram. And there you have it, your very own Instagram reel ready to share with the world. How awesome is that? Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more awesome tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.